In South Dakota, it's illegal to lie down and fall asleep inside a cheese factory. Standing up and dozing off? Apparently a loophole. No fines for that cheesy power nap. This quirky rule pops up in every weird US laws list, and it's been mentioned in newspapers as far back as the 1970s. The exact origin is murky. No dramatic roof accidents equals permanent band tale seems to exist in records, but the most common theories are labor safety angle. Early 20th century factories worried about exhausted workers taking quick naps on site instead of going home, which could lead to accidents around machinery or just poor productivity. Forcing a full rest elsewhere was a way to protect workers and owners from lawsuits. Hygiene food safety. Similar laws exist in places like Illinois, where sleeping in food prep areas, including cheese factories, is banned unless everything is sealed, probably to avoid contamination from drool, hair, or, well, you get it. Old school protectionism. Some locals speculate it was lobbied for by factory owners to stop competitors who lived on site, cheaper operations, from gaining an edge. No evidence turned up for any specific sleeping on the roof prohibition. That part seems like a fun, exaggerated urban legend spin on the real indoor rule. These old laws stick around because repealing them takes effort. And nobody's been caught napping in a cheese vat lately. South Dakota still has it on the books as one of those technically illegal gems. Moral of the story, if you're ever touring a cheese factory in SD, stay vertical, or at least pretend to be inspecting the ceiling very intently. What do you think? Genius safety measure or just peak old law energy? Got another wild one?